Yo, what's good, family? Hope everybody doing amazing out there, man. We got an unboxing for y'all. Gonna be unboxing this Grand Zeus graffiti. And sorry about the terrible lighting. I'm in the office right now. Did not want to wait to wear this, so gonna break into this thing. Take a look at how things looking. Let's get into it. As you can see, rocking the graffiti Magnum with the same type of graffiti that this Grand Zeus is supposed to come in, so figured it would only be appropriate. Love that Magnum. But let's hop into this one. Got these dull scissors over here. I'm try to get into it. And boom, I'm breaking out the case here, and I can already see these Invicta tote bags that they had included with the purchases this weekend. Pull this out real quick. There's some cool little Invicta tote bags. See, you got a normal 6 on there, the Nautilus. Not bad. But here we go. Got this Grand Zeus graffiti here. See, it comes in this one slot dive case. Let's open it up. Take a look at this thing. Move this out the way. Pull this thing out. Put the dive case out the way. Here it is. Grand Zeus graffiti, and I can already see some of that graffiti poking through. Anxious to see that new, if you know what I'm saying. Those new pieces. Taking off all of that. Get this piece off right here. And here we go.
Hey, keep them ad-libs. Yep.
Hope y'all can see that. I mean, you can obviously see it because with all the colors on here, you can see this thing from a mile away. But just saying, I hope it will focus enough so y'all can get a good enough idea of it. But yeah, take a look at all that graffiti all over the place. You see quite a lot of blue on this one, this particular execution with that graffiti. As you can see, with this one there is more yellow and some in the orange pattern on this, along with the red, and some blue and green on this Magnum here. And this one has a lot more of the blue design on it. with a lot more of the yellow down towards where I will be removing links. So I'm mostly gonna get blue and red on this execution. Once it's sized and ready to wear. But yeah, got the color on the cables, red and yellow cables along with the stainless cable in the middle. Yeah, this is the Grand Zeus, so it has the Thunderbolt cable bezel on it, and everything else with it is just a Bolt Zeus, your typical Bolt Zeus case and bracelet going all the way down. Those cables covered in the hydroplating. Pretty much the only thing not done in hydroplating is that big 5mm cable and the crown and function pushers over here. Reserve piece. And that beautiful gear dial. I know y'all can't see it too great here, but a full review will be coming of this piece so y'all can get a better look at it. Blue crystals for the hour markers, and the gears and the dial are yellow and red. Done in the disc execution for the gears over here with the hand for the day to week reader over here. But yeah, that's a fantastic piece, man. Of course, y'all know I love color, so this is, of course, right up my alley. Yep. Can't really get the best shot of them in here, but did want to show you all the current graffiti pieces that I have. Of course, you got that original gray execution. The next one being that white background, and these newer generation graffitis, the red Magnum, yellow Magnums. Those are all the current graffitis that I have. I got a few other hydroplated pieces out here too. And more hydroplated pieces underneath this tray. But yeah, I obviously love the graffitis, and got another one to add to the bunch. Obviously love the hydroplated and the graffitis especially. Love those bright colors. But alright, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing here. Went ahead and sized this, so I gotta get a look at it before the actual full review on it, but had to go ahead and get that on the rig. Definitely a stunner piece right here. That gear dial, this blue gems, colors on the cables, it's very bright and vivid. Definitely love this piece. Hope y'all take care out there, man. Y'all stay happy and healthy. Keep your head up no matter what you're going through, man. Like for real. And of course, remember to smile. Love y'all. 5,